Need to replace the burner tube in your Blackstone 2177? Today we're swapping one for a brand new stainless one. We'll walk it in clean technical diagrams to see the repair from angles that are hard to catch on camera. It's an easy job, about 20 minutes with a pair of pliers and some gloves. Let's get into it. Step 1. Get to the burners. But first, all 4 knobs off, tank valve closed, and everything cool. Then, we can work. The hard cover comes off its hooks first. Then the griddle top lifts straight off. It's a 2-person lift. Set both aside, and there's your firebox. 4 tube burners, right out in the open. Mind the small igniter heat shield down there. It stays put. Step 2. Unpin the old burner. Each tube is held at the back tab. Snap the retaining pin off first, then slide the main pin out. Some production runs use a screw instead. Same tab. That's all that holds it. Keep the hardware if your new burner didn't come with any. Step 3. Slide it out. The front of the tube slips over the gas rail's fuel nozzle. So slide the burner straight back until it clears the nozzle, then lift it out. Take one look inside before it goes in the trash. Rust flakes, spider webs, or grease plugs are your culprit, and it's why the manual says clean these once a year. Step 4. Seat the new one. This is the make or break moment. The gas rail's fuel nozzle must land inside the burner opening, not under it, not beside it. Slide the burner forward until the nozzle is engaged in the venturi, and the back tab lines up with its slot. Step 5. Pin it and check the igniter. Pin back through the tab, retaining pin snapped on. Then eyeball the igniter needle. It should sit 3 to 7 millimeters off the tube, right above a burner hole. Top back on, hard cover back on its hooks. Before you call it done, run the checks. Push and turn. The new burner should light within 5 seconds. Flame check. Vibrant blue. Bigger on high, smaller on low. No yellow, no flames, only on one side. Make sure the flame runs the full length of the tube, every port burning. And check the air gate. Flame belongs at the burner ports, never flashing back out of the venturi. Pass all 4, and this repair is finished. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.